Hello kids, welcome to my channel Easy Kids Classes. Sky blue color, pink color, dark green color, orange color, brown color, yellow color, red color, black color, violet color, blue color, peacock green color, light green color. This is black color. Let's draw the shape. Heart. Arrow. Oval. Diamond. Quatrefoil. Quatrefoil. Pie. Pie. Light pink color. Heart. Heart. Light pink color. Blue color. Arrow. 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 Blue color. Orange color. Oval. Oval. Orange color. Violet color. Diamond. Diamond. Quatrefoil. Dark green color. Yellow color. Pie. Pie. Yellow color. Light pink color, blue color, orange color, violet color, dark green color, yellow color. Heart, arrow, oval, diamond, quatrefoil, pie. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.